does this data governance actually slow down innovation, or does it actually make innovation accelerate and a lot more possible? And how do we actually find or strike that balance, that sweet spot between the slowing down and actually driving innovation? Your thoughts?
You are spot on, because as I said, so to go to a client and to say, do a year-long data governance project, and then we talk AI, that's never going to work, especially today. So I think you need to go a bit on how to say, a double direction, which is for the customer that have the appetite to do the big thing. You run these complex and expensive data governance programs, but at the same time, you can still do some small quick wins, AI agents or Copilot, that create that sort of, how to say, culture or excitement, to make sure that somehow ROI is being measured and excitement is being measured and concrete results are being measured.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Rafael, for this last segment. I just want to ask you, what is the biggest myth about data governance that business leaders should still believe? What are some of those big data governance myths that you can debunk?
I think the one that they still have to believe is that everything really comes to 85-90% of any AI projects still require 80-90% of plumbing on data, right? So once your data is accurate, when the data governance is placed, data are accessible, data are clean, are properly described, then building even a sophisticated AI software on top of it then become relatively easy, right? So data governance and high data quality is a necessary investment if you really want to scale AI across the organization. So that is really necessary. And I think this myth still is standing true.